Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on Sammy 2 motion poster.
Yes, so we have Chian Vikram sir here.
Yes, the multi-talented actor.
Yeah, the super talented actor
Yes.
and the wonderful human being also as well.
Right.
So yes, this is a motion poster, right? So
Right.
let's get started.
And
we
this
are very much excited
this
as well.
motion poster got released I think in 2018.
2018. So it is a
2
pretty
years
old
ago.
movie.
Yes.
So,
Before starting with the trailer or scene
yeah.
of this movie, so
it's better to give
we
the
thought
reaction.
let's start with the motion poster.
After that, we'll be giving the trailer reactions, and if you have any
Yes.
suggestions or any movie scenes, you can definitely let us know.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get started with this motion poster. And if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
तो चलो झट से शुरू करते हैं मोशन पोस्टर ऑफ सामी 2.
Right. Okay. So there will be too much thrill now.
Wow.
New Delhi
NS44.
National Highway. Oh. Wow. Feeling great, right?
Marvelous.
Oof. City बजाओ city.
सीटी नहीं आती मुझे, तुम बजा दो.
Wow.
On behalf of me.
Oh. Really police officer, right?
Police officer, yeah.
Wow.
Oh my God.
I think it's super motion poster. Sammy Square or Sammy 2?
Sammy 2, second part. I think Sammy 1 is a movie.
Okay.
Okay, trailer in 26th May onwards, like already got released.
So
Clap. पहले ही दे
superb,
देते हैं.
right? I think
It was like
2 years ago. We haven't seen that much movie poster concept. But still, this one, I think now also it can thrill.
Ultimate.
Yes.
Okay, the way he was doing that and the
Yes, that was superb.
the rocks are breaking up and everything, like his face is
He was
revealing. That
emerging
was
from a statue, you can say.
yes, the concept I really like and the execution is brilliant.
Yeah.
Like I'm having thrills. Okay, I'm having thrills. Like Chian Vikram sir is our favorite.
And also his
So
look.
his look, he was
His gesture was
superbly
super.
suitable with the cop role. He was I think the cop. I think
Right.
his
His
dress up
physique
and
and
everything.
all was like that.
Physique and everything, like dole shole. He is like my god, super
Yeah.
hot man.
So-
Okay, and this. I don't know like what is the concept of
Concept
this
of the
movie,
movie.
and I think he's a cop, he's a
Yes.
police officer in this
Right.
movie, but what is the context of the movie we
concept.
couldn't
I
understand
think
because
it will be something related to North and South India.
हाँ, क्योंकि
because
दिल्ली
Delhi
था,
also it
हाँ
was
ना?
showing
हाँ,
and
हाँ,
the
हाँ.
South Indian state was also showing. So I think
हो सकता है.
it will be having some
interesting concept
mixed
and
concept,
हाँ
yes.
जब भी North India and South India will be mixed, then a lot of thing will be coming up. So we are expecting, we are thinking that this
Lot
kind
of
of concept can come, but let us know what is the concept of the movie
And the background music, don't
Wow.
forget that.
Ah.
It was superb.
And one more thing you have noticed, like four, I think 4 dogs were there. Dogs, right? So what is the meaning of that? Like I couldn't understand that thing.
Okay. I think I got
And he
it
was
something.
having one sword. He was having one sword which he was carrying. What is the meaning of
so
that?
I think it will be an action movie first of all, and then he will be a police officer as well as he will be
Protecting the
researching on some of the cases where he might be using dogs and all.
वो हो सकता है.
Yeah.
Correct. Yes.
I think so.
I'm very
like
much
that
eager
only,
to
yes.
see the trailer now.
And after that movie also.
Movie also, because this motion poster is giving me thrills. Now also I'm thinking and I'm having the thrills in my body. Like yeah, it was outstanding, amazing. Okay, so 10 out of 10, right? Abhay?
Of
No
course.
question. No question. Okay.
I don't know how
My
this
goodness.
Bikram sir, he comes out with a different look in each and every movie.
So that is why he's Vikram sir, and that is why he's a super talented person.
Yeah. I think
Okay, by his acting, he can make anyone cry, make anyone smiling, make anyone think about him only all the time. which I am now doing.
And also nowadays he is looking much more younger than when we used to watch it during childhood days.
Yeah.
That movie, what was that? Aparichit movie. So I think from that movie
that
till
time
movie,
this time huge difference.
He's looking much more younger.
Yes. Yeah. So they have actually evolved themselves like that way only. If you see any other actors also, they are younger version and now version. It is like completely different. Okay, so that is very good. Actually, they have maintained their physique like that.
Earlier days there were not that much concept of going to gym, maintaining physique, but nowadays you have to be physically fit.
Yeah. So yes, like even though it is a very old, like 2 years back old movie, I think motion poster, but still they have maintained it. Like they have used a lot of graphics and everything that was outstanding. Like now also, if anyone will see now also, they will not understand that okay, this is 2 years old. They will think that it has been created now only, current days. So it was brilliant, okay, and it is a 10 on 10 from our side, and I am sure that you will guys also will like this motion poster a lot, because nobody can dislike.
And one more thing we have to research, do we have any Sammy 1 part 1 also?
No, मुझे लग रहा है I think Sammy 1 is there. I am thinking that Sammy 1 part 1 is there. Okay, then after that we can definitely research. So yes, that is it for today's video. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Karthikeyan Bose, and he's commenting on Rajni's cigarette style mashup, and he's commenting give a reaction on Vijay Sethupathi movie. Yes, very soon it will be coming. So
I think the last one we have given a 96, right?
96 नहीं, वो जो उसमें जो वो औरत बने थे ना, वो 96 ही था क्या?
नहीं, that was not 96.
That was the last movie. I am not recalling the name, but he was
yes,
that did the makeup like a woman.
Yes.
Yeah, so that was outstanding by the way. Yes. So yes, we'll be doing very soon, like within 1 or 2 days you'll be like seeing that. Okay, definitely. So thank you so much Karthikeyan for commenting and for watching our videos.
So the second comment for today is from Farid Khan, and he is writing his comment on dumb blind deaf reaction round to hell, and he is saying, guys, trust me, second and third part is much funnier than the first one. Please react as soon as possible.
Yeah, we'll be doing that. We are also very much eager actually. Can't wait to see.
We are not able to control our laughter in this part, so I'm thinking what we'll do in the next part.
So yes, very much. Actually, we are very much looking forward, and soon you are going to see. Yes. Thank you so much for the suggestion, and thank you so much for watching our videos.
Yes. So the third comment for today is from Dwen Praveen, and he is writing his comment on 1 versus 11 Beagle movie scene reaction, and he is writing he is not only an actor for us, he is our elder brother, a good human being. I am watching your videos. It was really awesome. Continue this.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
of course,
Thalapathy Vijay sir, right?
Elder brother.
Thalapathy Vijay sir is our Anna. Okay, right. So very loving Anna, and also he is our favorite. Okay, right. I can understand from your comment.
We know that he is good human being, and he is a very complete person. You can say complete person. He is having a good talent. He is a very down to earth also as well. So he's a complete person actually. That's
so
true.
We are very proud of him, and we watch his movies, we watch his a lot of videos also we have done. So definitely you can see these videos, and yes, we keep on continue reacting on him also as well. So definitely very soon it will be coming, and thank you so much Praveen for commenting and for watching our video. So these are all the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.